Hey, Jamie Smith, CF Pro Tools. I just want to run through real quickly and share with you CF Cart Mode. And this is the script that's going to allow you to add multiple products to the same order and multiple quantities of the same product to the same order. And I'll show you a demo and it'll make complete sense, and I want to show you how to install the script. And this would be something to be useful to have more of an e-commerce style order form where say you're selling t-shirts, and for t-shirts you have small, medium, large, extra large, and you want people to be able to buy any one of the sizes or all of the sizes, and maybe you want people to be able to buy 2 t-shirts that are small, 2 t-shirts that are medium, 3 t-shirts that are large. This is a script that will allow you to do that on one order form with one order, process it all as a single transaction, and push it through. More what people would expect to see from a traditional shopping cart. And so I'm going to run through and show you how that works. And so let's just jump in here. I've got my test funnel, and I'm going to go ahead and preview this page and to show you what that looks like. And so on this would be the normal order form, and we see for the normal order form we've got 4 products set up: small, large, medium, extra large. They're in a little bit odd order here. I've got a script to fix that as well, but they're a little out of order, but they're just radio buttons. That's the only thing we do is pick one of the sizes and sell one of these and one size, one product only. This is the traditional out of the box that we see ClickFunnels works for an order form, but I'm going to show you how to install a fancy little script that will fix this for you. And so let's run in real quick, and I'm going to grab the code. I've got the code. You'll be able to grab this down below this video in the training section, or in the CF Pro Tools VIP Club membership. And we're going to go ahead and grab this script. The script is everything that you see from the opening script tag down to the closing script tag. Make sure not to grab the style stuff, just the script. So we're going to grab that. We're going to jump in here. Let's go ahead and close this for now. We're going to go ahead and edit our page. Take just a second to load here. We're going to go to Settings, Tracking Codes, and then Footer Custom Tracking. I'm going to paste that in, and I'm going to go ahead and click Save. No real configuration here. The only thing that's open that you might want to configure is the start and the stop. The start is 0. That's the start quantity. How many? What's the minimum quantity that somebody could order? I recommend 0 because you may get to an option if you've got, especially with the t-shirt option or hats and t-shirts or whatever combination, somebody may not want to order a small, but they may want to order 3 larges. So you have to give them a 0 option in order to not order a small. If you start at 1, they're going to have to order everything that's on the order form. So I recommend starting at 0, and then a stop is the quantity, you know, kind of the max quantity you'd want to sell in a single order. I recommend 5, maybe 10 if you're pushing it. And if you want to go more than that, then I'd recommend putting packages together, you know, a package of 5, a package of 10, and have it as a single product. It just becomes too much to manage if you want to sell 20 products. It's going to list on the confirmation page 20 times, and that's probably not ideal. So you can leave that exactly as it is, and I'll show you what that looks like. So we're going to go ahead and jump in. The next thing we'll want to do is actually grab the styles, and this is what's going to give us some style to the actual quantity selector. So for this, we're just going to grab what's between the style tags. And so I'm going to copy that, and we're going to go back into our editor, and we're going to go click the back here, and we're going to go to Custom. Again, this is under Settings, Custom CSS, and you can see I've already had that in there. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in, just highlight everything, paste in that style that we just have. We're going to go ahead and click Save, and then we're going to go ahead and preview the order form. And now you'll notice instead of our radio options, we get an extra column here, and we get a quantity selector that starts at 0 and ends at 5. And so what this means is we can now select how many of each one of these products that we'd like to order. Again, we can now allow somebody to order multiple products, so they can order a small and a large. They could order 2 smalls and 5 larges if they want to. They can order, you know, just a small and a large and not the others, or they could order some of all 4. So just wanted to run through and show you real quickly how this works and what it looks like on the back end. So we're going to order 1 small, 2 larges, and 3 mediums, no extra larges. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the Stripe test number here. And we'll just fill out some date in the future. And we're going to go ahead and click Complete Order. And we'll jump over to a thank you page or the confirmation page, and we'll see what that looks like. Take just a second. Actually, this is kind of screwy now because you'll see all of my orders. Let's bounce back and do this again. This is one actual good thing for testing. When you're testing, always use a unique email address. So let's just go in and do that. I'm going to actually, let's close this out. Let's open this up in an incognito window. I know better than this. I apologize for the extra step in the video here. But always go to test in an incognito window. The way that ClickFunnels confirmation pages work is they kind of accumulate all the orders under email addresses and also per session. So that one I've obviously been testing a lot with that email address. So let's go ahead and grab, again, 1 small, 2 larges, and 3 mediums, no extra large. And let's use, I like to use Gmail addresses for this because with Gmail you can actually do the CF Pro Tools Plus, and then I like to put in the date. So it is the 29th of July. So we'll put in 07/29/16, and then I'll put a -1 if it's my first time testing, -2 if it's my second time testing, on through, so that email address is unique each time. And that means that I don't see an odd confirmation. So I'm going to put in the test credit card again. And let's go ahead and go there. And now we'll go ahead and complete our order. And now what we see is what we would expect to see on a confirmation page. You'll notice we have 1 small, 2 larges, and 1, 2, 3 mediums. That's what we selected, and you can see that we get each of those added there. So obviously for t-shirts you wouldn't have the access purchase link, but this is what your confirmation page would look like after that order. So this is the CF cart mode. This is how it works. And then let's jump back in to the actual back office of ClickFunnels and see what that sale looks like when it comes through. So if we go in now and look at our sales, we'll click on the sales tab here. You can see that this order just came in 1 minute ago. You'll notice it's for $42. Again, we ordered 6 shirts at $7 each. That's $42. So let's look at the details of that order. If we look at the details of that order, we'll see we've got 1 small, 2 larges, and 3 mediums. That's exactly what we selected. The other thing that's interesting to note here is that for the product IDs, we have 661868 for the large and 661868 again for the large, and the same for the mediums. We have 3 of those. That's because it's adding the exact same product to the order at the same time, the single order. So let's jump in real quick and take a look at how the products are set up on this order form itself. So I'm going to go to my cart style order form page that we were just testing with, and let's look at the product setup. The product setup is very simple here. We didn't have to add a bunch of extra products or combinations or quantity packages. We just have 4 products: small, large, medium, large, extra large, or small, medium, large, extra large. So we've just got 4 products, and we just have the ability now to add the same product to the order multiple times. So that's CF Cart Mode. I hope you like it. Grab the scripts down below this. Again, everything including the script tags goes into the footer custom tracking. Everything between the style tags goes into custom CSS. If you have any questions, be sure to hit me up. Talk to you soon.